Are you over 50 and where you thought you would be when you were 25? Do you feel like time is slipping away from you and you may never achieve those goals you set out for yourself? Is it harder and harder to get by trading your time for money at your day job? Are you at the point in your life when you realize something must change in your life to support you and your family in the way that you deserve? Most of us work through life participating in the daily grind, just to get to the end of the month and get that paycheck. Whether you call it the rat race, the daily grinder, just your day job, they all lead to one result: grinding you down and not letting you realize your full potential. Many of us assume that if we work hard, keep our nose to the grindstone, and play by the rules, everything will work out. How is that working out for you? If you do not start doing something different right now, will you have enough to retire comfortably, or will you need to work after you retire? What if I told you you could work when and where you wanted and build your financial security? Would you be interested? With the proper digital skills, you can make the digital age work for you towards your financial security instead of just being a distraction during your free time. Instead of working for somebody else, being dependent upon an employer for your financial security, you could put the digital skills you learn toward creating your financial security. No more worrying about economic downturns and the possibility of being laid off by your employer. You decide what, where, and how long you work, and not your boss. Sounds too good to be true? Let me tell you a story. I was once where you are. After a long day at work, I was relaxing and cruising YouTube one evening when an ad interrupted the video I was watching. You know, like this one. The ad offered a free video seminar and started an online business from scratch. At first, I was skeptical but decided to keep watching the video. 5 minutes later, the video ad opened up my mind to other possibilities to securing my financial future. I was so busy working and getting by that I never considered that there might be other options. I, like most people, never realized there are other options than working the 9-to-5 job. I could start working for myself. No, I did not quit my job and become a digital entrepreneur, fancy word that, digital entrepreneur, overnight. That came later. I used my free time to learn the digital skills that would let me win back my time, work for me, and secure my financial freedom. Stop spending the majority of your day trading your time for money. Start building your dream and not your boss's. As I watched the free video seminar, I became aware of the true potential of working for myself and generating a significant income for myself instead of somebody else. I realized that if I did not do something now, my financial future would not be what I wanted it to be. If anything I am saying is relevant to you, if you are now thinking that you are not satisfied with your financial future or with the way things are going in your life, could you do me a favor? Do something about it. Even if you are only curious about making a change in your life and exploring the possibility of working how, when, and where you want, then please click on the button below. You'll be forward to an opportunity to register for the same free video series I received. Once you press that button, I would like you to enter your contact information on the next page. In return, I will send you, by email, the same video seminar that I received when I decided something had to change in my life if I wanted to secure my financial future. The free video seminar I am sending you provides you with an introduction to a digital online marketing business opportunity that changed the way I work, and it could do the same for you. Now do yourself a favor and click on the button below to allow yourself to work how, when, and where you like. Most importantly, start working on building your dreams and not somebody else's. Once you enter your contact information, you will go to my thank you page. On this page is not only a video of yours truly thanking you for your trust in me, there is also some information about how you can ensure that my email gets to your inbox, as well as a direct link to the first video in the series. Unfortunately, the email with a link to the free video series can sometimes end up in your spam folder, so please, if you think the information is valuable, please take some time to ensure future emails make it to your inbox and not your promotions or spam folder. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Look for this email if it does not appear in your inbox. If you decide that this is not for you, that you do not want to put the effort to build your dream, then just unsubscribe and you will never hear from me again. I want to make this clear. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you decide to go on this journey, you will learn new digital skills. It will take work and effort. It will not always be easy, but if it was easy, then everybody would be doing it. You will not be alone in this journey. You will have my email address. It is the one I use to send you the free videos. And you will also meet and work with like-minded people in a community that will help you along the way to building your dream. I want to help you build the financial freedom that you deserve. So click on the button in the video and send me your contact information so I can get you the free videos to start you on your journey to building your dreams. And with that, I hope to see you on the other side.